Welcome to this deep dive into one of the most powerful AI models of our time, DeepSeek. In this video, we'll explore how this revolutionary AI is transforming industries, empowering professionals, and shaping the future of intelligent systems. DeepSeek is a cutting-edge multimodal AI model that can understand and generate text, analyze images, and even write code, all in one place.
It uses a transformer-based architecture and is trained on massive datasets, including open-source text, images, and code. In 2024 alone, the global AI market reached $621 billion, and DeepSeek ranks among the top 10 language models, with over 4.7 million monthly users.
At its core, DeepSeek utilizes the transformer mechanism with self-attention, allowing it to process and understand relationships between parts of any input, whether it's words in a sentence, pixels in an image, or lines of code. Its real superpower is multimodal reasoning, the ability to handle different kinds of data simultaneously. It can read a question, analyze an image, and generate code, all as part of a single task. Fine-tuned with RLHF, reinforcement learning with human feedback, its responses are safer, more natural, and context-aware.
DeepSeek LLM, General Purpose Language Model for Conversation and Content Analysis. DeepSeek Coder supports 80+ programming languages for coding, debugging, and auto-completion. DeepSeek VL combines text and images for visual analysis, from medical scans to industrial diagrams. DeepSeek Math assists in solving mathematical equations and proofs. Like voltage, current, power, temperature, and frequency. Integrated with IoT and SCADA, it performs anomaly detection using deep learning models, identifying patterns that predict failures, such as overheating in transformers or voltage surges in high-voltage lines. It doesn't stop at detection. It automatically classifies fault types and suggests corrective actions.
For instance, a substation engineer might receive a real-time alert, abnormal temperature spike in transformer 3, recommend load redistribution. In circuit design, DeepSeek automates hardware description. Just by describing the desired logic, it generates HDL code, in Verilog or VHDL, ready to be compiled and simulated.
It supports analog and digital systems, and integrates seamlessly with simulation tools like MATLAB, Simulink or Spice. It also reviews PCB layouts, detects design flaws, and suggests improvements, dramatically reducing development time and human error.
Clinical reporting, diagnostics, and virtual care. It can process and interpret medical images such as CT scans, MRIs, X-rays, mammograms, and ultrasounds. By leveraging vision language models, it automatically detects patterns associated with conditions like tumors, strokes, inflammation, and fractures.
It not only identifies visual anomalies, but also extracts textual descriptions from medical images to generate structured reports. For example, DeepSeek can analyze a CT scan of the brain and issue an automated alert suggesting possible intracranial hemorrhage. It also automates clinical documentation.
Radiology images and patient data. DeepSeek generates draft reports, including radiological summaries, nursing notes, dietary plans, and care checklists. This dramatically reduces time spent on paperwork and improves consistency across departments. Imagine a radiologist simply uploading an image and receiving a well-structured preliminary report, editable before final approval.
In vehicles, it enables advanced computer vision by processing live video streams to detect pedestrians, other vehicles, road signs, lane markings, and even weather conditions like rain, fog, or darkness.
For example, DeepSeek VL analyzes a video feed and reports. It can predict the motion of nearby objects to prevent collisions. A cyclist is entering the intersection from the right, collision expected in less than 1.5 seconds. Beyond perception, DeepSeek supports decision-making in autonomous driving systems. It fuses inputs from visual sensors, maps, and hardware to decide whether to brake, swerve, stop, or change direction. Through the integration of language models and control logic, it executes these decisions in real time. Automotive and robotics, real-time object detection, autonomous decision-making, robotic control with voice commands. Aerospace and defense, analyzing satellite data, detecting geospatial threats, supporting early warning systems. Smart agriculture, identifying crop stress via drone imagery, optimizing irrigation and fertilization. Cybersecurity, detecting threats, analyzing logs, generating firewall rules, even reverse engineering malware. Content and marketing, writing scripts, generating captions, performing SEO, and tailoring messaging per audience. DeepSeek is not just for developers or researchers, it's for everyone. Students, learn complex topics with custom exercises and simplified explanations. Teachers, create quizzes, explain abstract concepts with clarity. Doctors and nurses, analyze records, summarize case histories, support decision-making. Lawyers, draft legal documents, analyze case law. Entrepreneurs, create marketing copy, study user feedback. Researchers, build scientific papers, run data analysis. Everyday users, write resumes, improve communication, make informed decisions. DeepSeek brings educational equality, digital inclusion, and personal empowerment. Whether you're in a remote village or a major tech hub, you can access the same AI support. In the future, DeepSeek is expected to revolutionize fields like environmental monitoring, urban planning, policymaking, and ethical AI governance. DeepSeek is not just a tool, it's a thinking partner. From healthcare to coding, from classrooms to courtrooms, it helps people create, solve, and grow. It embodies a future where human potential is amplified by intelligent systems, one question, one task, one conversation at a time. Arrives not just to simplify, but to bridge the gap. Unlike many intelligent tools designed merely to make tasks easier, DeepSeek empowers people to think, write, analyze, build, decide, and even to express emotion. It's not just a chatbot or a text generator. DeepSeek is a deeply perceptive, multimodal, multilingual, and adaptive assistant, capable of aligning itself with the user's unique context and needs. That means anyone, regardless of their knowledge or ability, can use it, not just to get answers, but to grow intellectually, professionally, and personally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who should know about DeepSeek.